Put your arms behind your back.
What do you mean I'm finding somebody? What do you that mean?
Put your arms behind your back.
On August 8th, 2025, watch how a small scuffle at a restaurant turns serious. An intoxicated man walks off on an e-bike, and what happens next spins into chaos.
Were you at a fight at the restaurant?
No.
Okay.
I'm riding a bicycle.
Beach 11, Beach 21, status check.
Put the bike down, okay?
Why?
Copy.
Riding a bicycle.
Is this your bike? This your bike? It's a yes or no question.
Am I on it?
This is your bike, yes or no?
Yes.
Where was it at?
What do you mean, where was it at? Where was it what?
Where was the bike at? Huh?
I don't know what you're asking a question.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, okay? Right now you're being detained, okay?
For what?
Stop.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, what am I being tied for?
Right now we're conducting...
Tell me.
Stop. We're conducting an investigation about
I'm
a...
fine.
Okay. We're conducting an investigation about a fight at the restaurant, okay?
A fight at
Yes.
the restaurant?
You match someone matching that description, okay? So right now you're going to be detained, okay? So put your arms behind your back.
What do you mean I'm finding somebody? What do you
Okay.
that mean?
Right now, listen to me.
What do you mean I'm finding? I don't understand.
You are
Why
ma- you are mad-
Listen,
listen.
I'm not trusting you.
Okay.
How-
You
what
are,
do you mean?
You are matching a description of someone who was involved in a fight at the restaurant, okay? The Mexican restaurant there, Cantina Louis, okay? So you're being detained until I figure out if you were involved or not, okay?
Well, what does it got to do with anything? What did I do? I didn't do nothing bad.
Huh?
What does that mean? Anything is what I'm
I'm
asking
telling you were being detained right now.
For what? Is what I'm asking
I
you.
just told you. You were,
For what?
You are matching a description of someone who was involved in a fight at a restaurant, okay?
But that's bull. What do
Okay,
you mean? You could just say I'm detained you? I didn't fight with nobody.
Okay, we're going to figure that out.
No,
okay?
I didn't fight with. Why you grab me like so tough? I didn't fight with
Put
nobody.
your arms behind your back.
I
Put your arms behind your back.
I paid my bill.
Okay.
So what the?
Okay, put your arms behind your
No.
back. Yes.
No.
Yes.
For what?
Put your arms behind your back.
For what? What did I do? You
I
guys.
told you.
What? What did I do?
Bro, you told fighter. Put your arms behind your back.
That.
Bravo 212.
You ain't grabbing me.
Give me a chin. I have my iPad that he's running. You're going to get tased.
Fuck you. Daddy, I didn't do nothing. You're a fucking idiot. Why are you grabbing me? I didn't do shit.
For Bravo 212 at Cantina Louis.
Get your arms behind your back.
Charlie 3.
Get your arms behind
I'm
your
not
back.
doing that. I ain't doing
Get
nothing.
your arms behind your back.
No, I'm not doing that. I ain't doing nothing.
Get your arms behind your back.
Nothing, Birdie, bro. I didn't do nothing.
We're at side by side. Give me a second unit.
I didn't do anything.
Come on. Get on your face.
What are you doing, asshole? Yeah, real good.
Get on your stomach.
You didn't do nothing, bro. You f***ing
Resist.
kidding me? You didn't do. I didn't do nothing. What the?
Foxtrot, 212 to Florida.
Foxtrot 212.
The f*** did I do?
Third channel.
You ain't. Oh my
Well,
god.
now you just caught a charge.
I didn't do shit. What did I do? I didn't do shit.
You pushed me in
You
your
didn't tell me what the f***
I told
did.
you multiple
You didn't
times.
tell me nothing. Why am I being a crock? Why?
Sit up.
Why?
Sit up.
Okay, but what the f*** did I do, bro?
Sit up.
Okay, give me a second.
Sit up.
Dude, I didn't do nothing, man. What the f***, man? Holy like I'm a criminal.
Don't get up. Stay sit down.
Okay, I got you. What the f***? I didn't do nothing. I'm not... What did I do?
What happened at
I
Cantina
got you.
Louis?
What?
What happened at Cantina Louis?
What happened? Nothing. A guy had a problem. There was no problem.
Said another guy had a problem?
Listen, I had no problem with anybody. It's the woman in there. What the f, man? Holy
Your ID.
Listen, I just moved here, bro. I'm not trying to be
Yes.
This is ridiculous.
So what I'm trying to figure out is who you are. When I
All
run
right,
your
fine.
name, is it out of Florida or is it
Yeah.
going to be out of whatever state you just moved here
Listen,
from?
New York, whatever, yeah.
New York.
Look at my knees, bro. What the did he do to me? What did I do? I didn't do nothing bad. I'm not a criminal. I'm not a, like, what the man? You guys feel good about this? A white guy, all of this about the, for what? For what? What did I do?
So pretty much run him over and tell us that he's out of New York. And then just...
What's your middle name? Your middle name? Do you have a New York driver's license? Michael, do you have a driver's license in New York?
I know.
How do you not know? Is your name Michael?
Rusty's gonna
I
come
didn't
over
do
here
shit.
and rescue
I
you.
did nothing, no about it.
Paramedics are gonna check you out. All right, they're gonna clean you up.
I did nothing to no body. What the am I here for? I did nothing, nobody.
Michael, are you gonna let paramedics clean you up? Okay. All right.
I
If you-
did
if you act
nothing
up-
wrong, bro.
All right. If you act up with them, you're gonna get another
I'm not
charge.
gonna act like, what
Okay.
the did I do to begin with? Nothing. What do you mean if I act? What did I do, bro?
Again, what happened at
What
Cantina
did I
Louis?
do? Tell
So
me.
we spoke with the other party at Cantina Louis.
And what did I do?
Okay. Let me get your side of the story.
What did I do?
Let me get your side of the
I'm
story.
asking you what they said.
All you gotta do is cooperate.
I've been doing that. What are you kidding me? What do you mean? What do you mean I haven't been cooperating? I did everything you wanted to do.
Right there, back there by the restaurant.
Listen to me.
You pulled
I've
away
been-
and pushed me. And then you took off running.
That's what you say. I pushed.
It's all on camera,
But
man.
listen, when you feel like you're right, what the fuck? I did nothing wrong, bro.
What's your name, sir?
Let's take a break, Michael.
Can you do me a favor? He had a bike. I don't know if it's his or he stole it. But I saw him behind the Publix with us. I don't know if he came on a bike or...
He said he came on a scooter.
Okay, I don't know. Is that what they're talking about? Just to make sure it's his? Yeah, he crashed over there. Yeah. So what happened was I saw him behind the Publix. And I'm like, yeah, it looks like him. So I followed him and he crashed right in the plant. And then I stopped him to detain him until he figured out what was going on. And then he pulled away from me, pushed me, and ran across the street and fell.
Is that gonna happen?
What?
I don't know.
What's going to happen?
He's 811, but
Are you going to what?
Am I getting?
Yeah.
I'm going to jail for
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, he pushed me and then he ran from me.
You feel good about that? Then?
You're the one who did it, man. All you gotta do is cooperate.
Listen, some people make a mistake. What's right? You're still gonna kick your back? That's fine. You want to be like that? Great. Okay. I'm a good person. I f***ed up. Whatever. But you want to keep me like that? That's
Michael, did you have an ID out of New York? Yeah, what's your name? Huh? Okay. Where did you have an ID out of? Are you lying about your name? Okay. We gotta figure out who you are.
I told you what.
Spell your last name. What's your last name?
Don't matter. I'm getting right anyway, right?
Oh, we need to know to book you out of jail.
Whatever.
how long have you been in Florida for?
No, I didn't come. It said nowhere.
Michael. You don't want to talk to us anymore?
Michael.
Hey, Michael. Hey, what's your social?
You said your name's Michael, right? Sir? Is your name Michael? Alright. I'm Corporal Staunton with the Sheriff's Office, okay? I'm a supervisor here. Are you want to talk to me at all, or
If you don't want to tell you, it's fine.
do you want to tell me your side?
I already told you my side.
I just got here, so you didn't tell me.
Ask him then. I'm not doing it again.
You don't want to talk to me? Okay.
Take this. Why I'm even here, bro?
Okay. I'm going to take some pictures of the injuries that you got on you, okay?
Make sure you get all look like this.
Yep.
Make sure you get all look like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you in pain at all?
Yes, I am.
Where's your pain?
Where the f*** you think my knees where the bleeding is at?
Okay.
You kidding me? Where's it at?
Anywhere else? Did you already tell these deputies your last name? Here's the thing, Michael. If you don't identify yourself and we can't get
Whatever,
positive
bro, I'm going
identification
anywhere.
on you,
Get the f-
Okay. Well, you're going to go in as a John Doe until we can positively identify you. Okay.
What did I do?
That's what we're trying to. That's what I'm trying to figure
What
out.
did I do?
That's what I'm trying to
Well,
figure
tell
out.
me.
I don't know.
Tell
You
me
want
what
to
the
tell me?
No, you tell me what I'm here for.
Okay. Well, I'm here because this deputy trying to make contact with you, and somehow you ended up here with a bunch of abrasions on you. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
That's your answer? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I did nothing to you guys. I didn't hit you guys. So I did nothing. And you you're like, what the man?
Yeah, we already made contacts with the other parties involved.
Is there any other deputies over there? Or?
No,
No.
us over here.
All right. Where were you drinking at?
Right here. I didn't drive. I didn't go nowhere. I met a guy that's going to get me to do full work for him.
You were drinking outside here? Or
No.
Where?
In the bar.
What
What
bar?
do you mean? Right there. What do you mean? Where was I?
Michael, hang on.
Okay.
He just got here.
Okay, I'm sorry.
He doesn't know.
But
So he's
where
asking,
was I in that bar?
which one? Where are you at? There's several bars that are around here.
Sir.
Is what he's
I
asking.
can't see behind me. What is it?
There's nothing. There's bushes behind you.
Well, then I don't know, but sir, you know where you were called from. A bar I've been there for 2 hours. I met a guy that I met at the home
Speak with the manager and make sure you get that photo from the surveillance footage that they have of the suspect.
I got you. So what the freak? That's what I'm saying.
But how did you end up here like this?
I have no idea. Is what I'm saying to you.
So you don't know why you ran from the deputy?
If we have a call for service that you matched, and at the end of the day, it was a crime that was committed over there. You match the description of the suspect. That gives him the reasonable suspicion to detain you so he can figure out what's going on.
I got you, but I
Okay.
didn't do nothing.
Okay.
I'm not that. I got
And if that's the case, then it would have just been, all right, well, you didn't do anything. We have no evidence
then why
over
is that
there. We have
not
no
now?
evidence here that you're good to
So
go.
then why is that not now?
Because
I didn't
you
do
ran.
nothing.
Because you ran.
I didn't run.
Okay, how'd you end up here?
Hold on. I'm getting.
All right, we're gonna stand you up, okay?
Roll over a little bit. Do it slow, please. It hurts.
Ready? Here, there you go. You ready?
Hold on. Can I? Oh my God. Can I put my hands on my front for a minute? I'm cramping my hands. Can you do something with these? Oh my God.
Hey, real quick, that's your bike, right? Is that your bike? No? Okay.
Hold on.
Whose bike is that?
Can you give me just lift it for a second?
Nope, we're almost there. Come on.
Shit, hold on. It hurts.
Whose bike is that? Okay, where did you get the bike from?
I didn't get the bike from anywhere.
Okay, whose bike is it? Sit down with your butt first. And just watch your head.
Can you do this in the front at least?
Not right now. Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna go in there.
Where did you get that bike from? Did you get it from Cantina Lewis? You get it behind Publix? Michael. All right, can you put your leg in? Glasses, $265, and set of lens. Probably not going to take that. So. Okay, right now you have 2 charges at least. Okay, you got battery on me and resisting. Okay,
Battery, really?
you pushed me,
Are you kidding me?
dude. It's all on camera. You pushed me and ran for me. Okay,
Did I know I was pushing you? No. Like when you're drunk, you don't know who the you're pushing.
that's not an excuse.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Michael,
Yes.
what's your date of birth?
Where am I?
You're at the jail. What's your date of birth?
221.
Let me out.
They'll bring you out, but what's your date of birth?
I can't recover it right now.
Clear
What?
key, structure, fire pursuing you, Townsville.
What happened?
I don't even know why the I'm here, bro.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
What's your date of birth?
I don't know. All right. Whatever. I shouldn't even be here. Ridiculous.
He was later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, petit theft. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.